Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So as Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought I would do another perfume kind of collection guide, but this time I would do it for the men. So anyone who's thinking of buying a perfume for a man or boy in your life, this is the guide for you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started. So the first perfume that I wanted to talk to you about was this one here. This is by Imperial Armani and this is called Stronger With You. This smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. But I've got some notes up because I can't just keep telling you that it smells good. I need to actually tell you what the scents are. So you can get this like off Boots, you can get this off a lot of places. This perfume is quite expensive. Like for example, the 50ml in Boots right now is £56, so it's not the cheapest perfume, but it smells so good. Okay, so this intense fragrance for men is based around a warm vanilla heart, a vibrant ambery woods accord with a contrast of pink pepper notes. The aged cognac colour perfectly embodies the intense character of the new fragrance. So the fragrance family for this perfume is Figure Oriental Woody. Don't know what any of that means, but the top notes are pink pepper essence. Spicy pink pepper essence gets combined with the addictive sugar-coated chestnut accord to bring a new originality to the composition. Okay. Heart notes, vanilla essence. The intense essence of vanilla mixed with the slightly leathery suede accord create this unique sensual signature. And the base notes are ambery woods accord. Associated with the new bourbon vitia note, the ambery woods accord intensifies the vibrant side of the spillage. I don't know what that is, but it smells really good. So with this, I definitely smell like that sweet but amber and strong like woody kind of smell with it. I don't know what pink pepper essence smells like, but this smells really good. So whatever it is, it makes this perfume smell really good. I would highly recommend to get this for your partner or your brother, your dad, your cousin, your primo, your tio, whoever you want to get it for. Cousin is primo in Portuguese, so I don't know why I said it twice. And this lasts so long. Like I can still smell this on his clothes for ages, and like it just smells really good. It's one of my favorite that I've ever bought him actually. So yeah, that is Stronger With You by Imperial Armani. I can't even say the names, but Imperial Armani. So the next perfume is one that I actually don't have on me, but honestly, smell it. Go to the shop and smell it and tell me it does not smell absolutely delicious. So it is the Dior Sauvage perfume, and this is what the actual bottle looks like. And the notes for this are a bit like confusing. They're not like actually notes in bullet points. It just says it has like a really citrusy smell. It's very unique. It's really fresh, fruity and zesty with a tang of pepper. And obviously because I don't have it on me right now, I can't say if I agree with that or I don't. And their last note is that it has vanilla. So I don't know if the vanilla is like a top note, a base note or what. But basically it smells like a unique, citrusy, fresh, fruity, vanilla kind of perfume. And it is expensive. This one is not cheap at all. The 100ml on the Dior website right now is £92. You can get it for cheaper than that. The Sauvage perfume is really expensive, but it smells so good. Like it smells so unique, so good. So I highly recommend that one. So this is the next perfume, and this is the YSL La Homme perfume. And the price for this right now on Boots is £53 for the 60ml. This is also not a cheap perfume, but as you can see, it's very much loved. So the notes for this are fragrance family woody. Top notes, ginger, bergamot and lemon. Middle notes, spices, basil and violet leaf. So the base notes are tonka bean, Tahitian vetiver and cedar. So I don't know what any of those means, but all I do know is that this perfume smells real good. So for me, I really do like smell the spices and the citrus, like the lemon. That to me is like a lot stronger than any of the other scents, which I'm guessing is what top notes means. It's like the first things that you smell and the strongest things that you smell. But honestly, it smells so incredibly good, and it's really like fresh, where the You perfume is really like sultry and kind of like mysterious and the night out kind of smell, I would say. This is like a daytime, really fresh kind of smelling perfume. I feel like this is more of like a summery perfume, where this one leans more like wintry or night, like a night out kind of perfume. Okay, so the next perfume is the Paco Rabanne Invictus perfume. And this one you can also get in Boots. Right now in Boots for the 100ml it is £66.50. And for this one, the fragrance family is Woody Fresh. So the fragrance notes, the top notes are Nairobi Accord and Laurel Leaf. And the heart notes are Ambergris Accord and Grapefruit Zest. And the base notes are Guaiac Wood and Patchouli Heart. So this perfume, I would definitely say it's like a fresh perfume. I don't really know what the like notes are, but I would actually agree that it's like a woody, fresh kind of scent. I definitely would agree with that. This one I would also say is like a day perfume, but because of the woody kind of smell, I would say it's like a good transition to like the night kind of perfume as well. I would say with this one you can wear it all year round just because it's like woody and fresh. So the last perfume is this one here. This is the Valentino Uomo perfume, and the bottle is absolutely stunning, but like the smell inside, oh my god, it smells so incredibly good. Like I can't even get over it. This one and You are probably like my favorite perfumes for men of all time. The price for this perfume here ranges from £53.50 to £73, so not as expensive as You from Emporio Armani, but still not a cheap perfume at all. And with this perfume you can buy it from Debenhams. You can't actually buy this in Boots, like it's only like department stores I believe that you can buy these from. Okay, so the top notes for the Valentino are bergamot and myrtle liqueur. Moaning myrtle. I need to stop. And the heart notes are creme de gianduria, I think. It's Italian. I'm not Italian, so I won't know how to say it. And coffee. And the base notes are white leather and cedarwood. So I don't know if I smell the coffee in this. So the perfume here, I definitely smell like the wood kind of scent to it. I don't know what like myrtle liquor smells like or bergamot, so I don't know if I can smell that or not. I can kind of smell like the sweetness from this perfume as well, but this perfume just really reminds me of like a cigar lounge, like suit and tie. It just smells super sophisticated and like hella manly. I've also been told that this smells really good for a long time, so it's super long lasting, and also you don't need a lot of this for it to be so long lasting. Like it's really intense. It's not really subtle at all. All of these perfumes I would say are pretty intense and long wearing and like really in your face. So if your man or your dad or your brother or your tea don't like that, they won't like these perfumes. They don't smell watered down, they don't smell weak or subtle. They are very intense like colognes, and yeah, they're just really good perfumes. So yeah guys, this is my perfume gift guide for Valentine's Day. I really hope this was helpful, and I know I only did 5 perfumes, but there are others that I like, but these are like the top 5 best smelling perfumes I've ever smelled, especially these two, because these two are my absolute favorite. So these perfumes are very expensive but worth it in my opinion. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, some comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.